the island of Calypso. At its heart stands the high, flat-topped hill, where waves of human settlers choose to build their refuge. Phoenician traders, empire builders from Rome, Byzantine Christians, Arabs from North Africa, Norman kings from Sicily, Angevins and Aragonese. By 1551, the Knights of St. John, champions of Christendom, have been in charge of the island for over 20 years. Within their fortress, the Cittadella, life is good for men like Bernardo de Mopuo, a Sicilian soldier, and his family. If it were not for the raiders from across the water. Over 100 ships are heading for Gozo. The Turks are coming. At their head, Dragut, the corsair, scourge of the Middle Sea. Bernardo's family flee to the safety of their home. He fears for his beloved wife and daughters. The thought of their suffering in captivity is too much. In torment, he slays them first. Then, alone, he makes the final sacrifice. And dies a hero. When the Cittadella falls, some 5,000 men, women and children are seized and taken away as slaves. Only a few hundred escape the horror of that night. But soon these survivors do return, and the Cittadella is reborn. Under the guidance of the knights, the walls and bastions take shape. The fortifications are stronger than ever. At their heart, in the place which has seen centuries of worship, Gozo's new mother church is built. The seas around Gozo protect the island, but they also carry the winds of change. 1798 sees the arrival of a vast French fleet under the command of General Napoleon Bonaparte. The Gaulos militia tried to defend their island. But to no avail. The rule of the Knights of St. John is over. Archpriest Cassar, leader of the People's Resistance, turns to France's old enemy, the British. They agree to blockade the French in the Cittadella. Within a month, they surrendered. Gozo is free. This brief taste of independence inspires another campaign for a bishop appointed directly by the Pope. Finally, their wish is granted. And every year since then, in the cathedral, in the heart of the Citadella, it is Gozo's bishop who leads the celebrations. It is time for the Festa of Santa Maria to begin. Another year passes in the long history of Gozo's Cittadella.